so today I thought I'd share with you 3 time management tips. Stick around, it won't take long. It's Pam, the Organizer using 911. Thanks for clicking on this video. Okay, so let's get right into it. Today I want to share with you 3 tips that'll really help you save a lot of time during your day. Number 1 is to schedule little buffer areas of time in your schedule. And what I mean by that is don't set up things one after the other. Schedule in little breaks in between for those unexpected things that happen, like traffic jams or that last minute phone call you have to take that might delay you. When you put those little buffers in your schedule, you end up showing up for the tasks on time overall. Number 2, avoid switch tasking at all costs. Now, multitasking means to do one job, complete it, and then start another. You are completing multiple tasks, which multitasking technically is the right thing to do for managing your time. But what a lot of people do is they do switch tasking. And switch tasking is where you do this job, and while this job's running its program or whatever, you go and do this, and then while that's running, you go and do this, and you're flipping back and forth between tasks. That is the way to torpedo your productivity and waste a lot of time. So yes, multitask when it's do one job, finish it, and then go on to the other, but avoid switch tasking. That'll save you a lot of time. The third thing I wanted to share with you is to avoid distractions at all costs. That means turn the ringer off your phone or set auto responses saying, hey, I got your message, I'll return your call or return your email at a certain time. There are ways with our technology you can send an auto response to let them know you will respond to them on your time. That way you can finish a task before the interruption. Because here's the funny thing, interruptions, it normally takes a person 9 minutes to get back on track and back on focus to the job they were doing prior to the interruption. So if that takes you 9 minutes to get back on track, if you had, let's say, 6 or 7 interruptions in your day, that's an entire hour you have lost trying to refocus your attention. So set systems up to avoid distractions. Turn off that ringer and notification bells. You can do it. Set up auto responses where you let people know if they call, there's an auto response on your voicemail saying, I will respond to you at this time. On your email, same thing. You get an email, set an auto response that says, hey, got your email, I'll respond at such and such a time. Now, the other thing you can also do to avoid distractions is to set up 1 or 2 set times during the day to answer emails. Try to avoid constantly checking them throughout the day because, again, that's a distraction, that's a time waster. Okay, so there you have it. 3 tips to help manage your time a little better. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please let me know. Give me a like. Poke that like button below. Take care, and I will see you next time. If you like this video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.